Understanding your retirement budget. Plan smartly for your golden years. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic that concerns everyone thinking about their future: retirement budget. Planning for retirement may seem challenging, but understanding how to manage your retirement budget can make all the difference. Let's dive into what a retirement budget is and how you can effectively plan for a comfortable and secure retirement. A retirement budget is a financial plan that individuals create to manage their income and expenses after they stop working. It's not just about saving money. It's about strategizing how to use that money effectively during your retirement years. This budget helps you estimate how much money you'll need to cover your living expenses, healthcare, leisure activities, and any unforeseen costs that might arise when you're not actively earning. Understanding and creating a retirement budget is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it gives you a clear picture of your financial situation, helping you make informed decisions about your lifestyle after retirement. Secondly, a well-planned budget can prevent financial stress by ensuring that your expenses are covered. Lastly, it allows you to enjoy your retirement years with peace of mind, knowing that you are financially secure. Your retirement budget should include several key components. 1. Income sources. Detail all potential income sources like pensions, Social Security benefits, savings, investments, or part-time work. 2. Fixed expenses. List out regular, unavoidable expenses such as housing, utilities, insurance, and groceries. 3. Variable expenses. These are costs that can fluctuate, like entertainment, travel, hobbies, or eating out. 4. Healthcare costs. A critical aspect often underestimated. Include estimates for insurance premiums, out-of-pocket costs, and long-term care if needed. 5. Emergency fund. Set aside funds for unexpected expenses or financial downturns. Creating a retirement budget isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustment. Here's how to start. 1. Gather financial information. Collect all relevant financial data to have a clear understanding of your current situation. 2. Estimate expenses. Use your current spending patterns as a baseline, but remember, some expenses might increase or decrease in retirement. 3. Plan for inflation. Remember that the cost of living will likely increase over time, so factor this into your budget. 4. Regular review. Revisit your budget periodically and adjust as your situation or the economy changes. Planning your retirement budget is a step towards a secure and fulfilling retirement. By understanding your income and managing your expenses wisely, you can ensure that your golden years are truly golden. We hope this video helps you on your journey to a worry-free retirement. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.